This is an overview of DVIRs, or Driver Vehicle Inspection Reports, using the iStrada Delivery Management System. Using the iStrada app, drivers fill out a pre-trip DVIR before a delivery and a post-trip DVIR upon return. While using iStrada, the details included in the DVIR are fully customizable. In this DVIR, the driver must fill out the pre-trip odometer and engine hours. If the driver notices something noteworthy, they can take a photo and leave a note. This driver, for example, noticed a worn tire. The driver took a photo of the worn tire and left a note for the maintenance crew. Maintenance crews can view the DVIRs using the iStrada portal. To access DVIRs in the portal, in the sidebar menu under Reports, go to DVIRs. The list of DVIRs will be pre-populated with those of the current day. To see previous DVIRs, change the date range at the top right. The list of DVIRs can be filtered by driver, truck, plant, or type. To apply a filter, select the filter you wish to apply and select or enter the value of your desired filter, such as driver number or name, truck number, plant number, or type of DVIR. To review a DVIR, click the vertical ellipsis icon to the right. You will then have the option to view, edit, or remove this report. Driver Vehicle Inspection Reports includes the time and date it was created, the driver's details, their truck information, inspection details, confirmation of engine checkout, confirmation of instruments checked, photos, notes, and confirmation of occupational health and safety. The DVIR may be edited by clicking Edit or removed by clicking Delete. In editing a report, users may change the driver, the truck, edit inspection details, confirm or deny their confirmation of engine checkout and instruments checked, notes, and confirmation of occupational health and safety. When finished editing, click Save. The DVIR edit will automatically be reflected in the updated at time. Click the back arrow to return to the DVIR list. A DVIR can also be added by clicking Add a Report. To go out of service, drivers must fill out a post-trip DVIR. This was an overview of DVIRs, or Driver Vehicle Inspection Reports, using the iStrada Delivery Management System. For more information, visit our website at cysteinetechnologies.com.